to have taken care of the victim and the sister. While the mother has struggled to make ends meet. I also take into account that the two, the second and the third, are senior citizens aged 21 and 80 years. And taking into consideration the discourse above, I arrive at the following decision to be an appropriate sentence in the circumstances. As such, the third accused person, Ryle Nyakiradio, she is sentenced to serve 5 years in prison. For the second accused person, Pacifica Nyakiradio, sentenced to serve 10 years in prison. However, for the first accused person, who was a mason behind the offense here, sentenced to serve 40 years in prison. Right.